In today's video we will learn how to do RDP inside the remote server. For that we will use the application remote desktop connection. For that we have to first input the IP address which we received in the welcome email. We will type it or copy paste the IP address. Now we will copy paste the password. We will use the username as administrator. It is the default username. Now we have the password with it. We'll copy the password and paste it here and click on OK. Now there is this SSL prompt. Just click do not remind and press OK. Now we have successfully logged in our Windows server. Now we are checking that it's valid for 180 days. At the bottom right end corner, the license is valid for 6 months. Now we will check if Windows are updated. It's a good practice to keep Windows updated for better performance and security. Yeah, it's not updated. Now we have started the updates. The updates will get downloaded and it will be installed in the background. Now we will download browser using the Edge browser. I just press OK. Now we will search for Chrome browser. Okay. Now we will download Google Chrome browser. Just download Chrome browser now. It's getting downloaded. It's asking us to run or save. We will run it. Now the browser will be installed in few seconds. Let it install. This concludes our demonstration video to how to do RDP. Thank you.